Thank you. Starting today, several new laws take effect across Tennessee, some aimed at protecting children online, holding repeat domestic violence offenders accountable, and toughening DUI penalties. Sarah Ottman breaks down 3 of these new laws and explains how the changes could impact families, victims, and drivers right here in East Tennessee.
Starting in January, minors will need a parent's consent to create a social media account. The law is meant to give parents more control over when and how their kids access social media.
There's nothing good that can come out of any of those apps at that young age.
Melissa Cox is a Knoxville mom of 3. She says she's been cautious about social media for years because of what kids can be exposed to online.
I want to protect her. I want to protect her innocence. I also just think that there's a lot of darkness and a lot of negative things, and there's things that are just not age appropriate.
Another law is also aimed for protection. Savannah's law will allow Tennessee to be the first state to create a public registry for people convicted more than once of domestic violence.
My immediate reaction to the law is relief and excitement, mainly because domestic violence is such an isolating event.
Michelle Clayton is the executive director of the Knoxville Family Justice Center, a localized hub that helps victims of domestic violence, sexual assault, elder abuse, and child abuse.
The point is, if you are a recurring offender, you've repeatedly been convicted for domestic violence, then the community needs to be aware. The community needs to know that there is danger. The community needs to get their power back.
Laws are changing on the roads, too. A new law increases penalties for refusing a chemical test, including blood, breath, or urine, and allows more test results to be used in court.
And what you have to remember is that driving is a privilege, not a right.
Knoxville attorney Don Bosch says the law makes it harder for drivers to avoid consequences after a DUI stop.
I think it will become more difficult for people that are convicted of DUI or that refuse DUI to gain their full driving privileges back. It will become more expensive.
All 3 laws go into effect on January 1st. In Knoxville, I'm Sarah Oppman.
Again, the laws will be enforced starting today. To see more laws that are new in 2026, you can visit our website or you can scan the QR code on your screen. It'll take you straight to the article.